Hello Melton Truck Lines, it's Lisa Mason here, and here we are in December getting ready to celebrate Christmas and a Happy New Year. For those of you that have been following us, we have been moving around our truck on the shelf, so if you'll take a walk with me through our winter wonderland, let's see if we can find it. Come on. Oh, I think I spot it. Keep coming. Here it is. Well, we found the Melton truck, and we do have anniversaries to celebrate this month as well, so let's go ahead and get started. Mike Dargel, 17 years, our Vice President of Risk and General Counsel. Lisa Potter, 16 years, Billing Associate. Stephanie Phillips, 14 years, Extended Coverage Supervisor. Marianna Watashe, 13 years, our Staff Accountant. Delaney Rea, 7 years, our Recruiting Manager. Jorge Landa, 7 years, Medical Assistant in Laredo. Oscar Antu, 6 years, our Yard Supervisor for Melton Logistics in Laredo. Miguel Rodriguez, 5 years, our Trailer Technician. Robert Tusler, 4 years, Carrier Manager for Melton Logistics. Stephanie Rinner, 4 years, Accounting Associate. Nisha Cremeans, 3 years, our Lead Driver Services Coordinator. And Dathan Conder, 2 years, our Service Technician. Every month we always have a slew of birthdays, so if you see these fine folks, please wish them a happy birthday this month. As we move on to new hires, we do have Stephen Elliott joining us in Birmingham as our shop manager. And we have a few movement at Melton. Let's welcome Robert Batoni to our orientation team as our orientation instructor, and Colton Cantrell, our carrier manager for Melton Logistics. All right, well, thank you so much for joining us. To all of you, have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Be safe out there, and we'll see you next year.